Over the past year, Doctor Who fans have been speculating about who could replace Jodie Whittaker in the BBC series. Many names have been thrown into the mix as to who could replace her, including the likes of Line of Duty actress Vicky McClure and more recently Walking Dead actress Anjali Mohindra. However, years and years singer, Olly Alexander has remained the bookmakers' firm favourite to take over from Jodie. Last year, the Time Lord star confirmed her final scenes of playing the Doctor will air in 2022. Jodie isn't the only one leaving the BBC Sci-Fi, as series showrunner Chris Chibnall will also be taking a step back. Instead, former showrunner Russell T Davies is returning to the hit series. Olly addressed the rumours in an interview with Rylan Clark Neal and Alex Jones on Friday's The One Show. And while the actor didn't directly confirm or deny he was replacing Jodie, he did tease the series was going to be amazing. "I know you love music and that's your thing," Alex began. "But would you like to do more acting?" "Yeah," Olly replied as Rylan interrupted, "Tell me you're going to be the new Doctor Who?" As Olly tried to dodge the probe, Rylan continued, "Two of my favourite things." "I know, I'm sorry," Olly replied as he teased, "It's going to be amazing with Russell T Davies." "Of course, it's going to be amazing," Rylan added. "I will protest outside, that's what I'll do, if it's not you." According to bookmakers William Hill, Doctor Who alumni David Tennant is another contender for the next Time Lord. The Day star, who played the Doctor from 2005 and 2010, has odds of 16-1 to replace Jodie in the series. This follows recent news that Doctor Who was nearly cancelled after David's departure back in 2010, with the actor deemed irreplaceable, before regenerating into Matt Smith. David has remained a firm fan favourite among Whovians, with his tenure generally considered one of the best of the rebooted series, which returned to screens in 2005. Another name thrown into the mix is actor Michael Sheen. Michael is also a top contender for the next Doctor, as William Hill has him priced at 5-1, making him a slightly more favourable selection than David. David isn't the only former Doctor Who star rumoured to make a comeback. The bookies claim Catherine Tate, who played Donna Noble, could also make a return. Olly's It's a Sin co-stars Lydia West and Omari Douglas are also among the bookies' favourites. The One Show airs weekdays at 7 p.m. on BBC One.